Hey everyone, so we're going to work on some mindset things today. So lots of what we do, whether it's working out, whether it's relationships, whether it's a job, it's largely up here. Whether we can handle it, whether we can't, how we interpret the day. So I'm going to give you a couple of tools that has helped me. Number one, you're going to start a gratefulness journal. So start this tonight. It could be your favorite little book, it could be a little notepad, something that you can have near your bedside. In the gratefulness journal that you're going to have by your bedside, you're going to write down 3 things that you're grateful for every single day. Could be grateful for that I got to clean up the house. It's grateful that I'm able to keep a job. I'm grateful for being able to have the freedom that I have. Could be anything. Let's say mine, I'm grateful that I have a loving, caring, supporting wife that helps me. I'm grateful for all the family and friends that have helped me influence the person that I am today. I'm grateful that I have a fully functional body, that I can actually go to the gym and lift weights and help me de-stress mentally that way. That would be mine for the day. Every day it can be something a little bit different.